Hello, Brit team. This is Ganesh and Rekha coming at you right here in Hidden Lake from our home. Hope you all are staying safe and building the business right from our home. Like we have been doing it for last several months, and that's awesome that we have a business opportunity which we could do that. I just wanted to pass this message on to Lisa, and if she feels it appropriate, she can probably send it to the Brit team. First of all, I thank all the Brit leaders, management operating committee, my fellow executive committee members, all the diamonds, and all the IBOs who have been a part of my life for many years, as a matter of fact, decades. And last year, same time, I thought of doing an epic bike ride from New York all the way to Amway World Headquarters to support Easter Seals with supporting autism, kids with autism, and homes for the homeless veterans. And that idea was just an idea, and then it quickly materialized, and Easter Seals was on board with it, and we started put a date to it, and it was August 14th 2020. And guess what, COVID happened early March, and everything came to a grinding halt. All businesses, to a certain degree, all some of you who have jobs probably had issue with it, and we all had that setback. But but we still carried on. Our practices was going on. We had all the background activities in place. As a matter of fact, Brit Worldwide is actively engaged. I was in touch with Danny every now and then as he needed certain updates about the ride. I was actively updating my upline, Raj and Sangeeta Shah, and Raj has been a tremendous supporter of it, and Lisa has been a tremendous supporter. As a matter of fact, entire MOC, every time I talk to the MOC member, they ask me about the updates of the ride. So yesterday we had a conference call to revisit and re-evaluate what's happening, the ground reality in North America. And Easter Seals was there in the call, and since the final leg is going to be in Ada, Michigan, Amway was also involved since we are entering World Headquarters the final day, and we all collectively decided, for the good of everybody, for keeping health, keeping safety in mind, it would be wise for us to postpone the event by a couple of months, so that we pass this COVID-19 and get back to normalcy. But at the same time, we are IBOs, we are Brit kids. We don't quit, we don't give up. So what we decided is that August 14th, we will still have a virtual ride. Just like all athletic committees all across the world, Boston Marathon, Ironman, everybody is actually doing virtual. So we thought of doing virtual ride. So now, instead of just having 40-50 IBOs who were actually planning to ride with me, right now the entire Brit Worldwide team can be a part of virtual ride. And we are going to come up with a very exciting plan. It is going to start on August 14th. And if you have a bicycle, that's great. You can stay fit in the bicycle probably, and but maybe you don't have a bicycle, you are a runner, that's great. You are not even a runner, you might just jog or you might walk, even that is fine. Or maybe you do none of those, maybe you just swim, that's also fine. Any outdoor activity which you do, you can be a part of virtual epic bike ride. And you can we are going to have certain pin levels which we IBOs connect with. We are going to have silver, certain number of miles, platinum, ruby, emerald, and diamond. So people can log on certain miles, and the whole goal is to stay fit, get engaged in our health. I always tell our IBOs, always treat your health and fitness as your sixth leg and work on it. And that's what we want out of this virtual epic bike ride. So stay tuned to all the updates. www.theepicbikeride.com. I repeat it, www.theepicbikeride.com. And I will also send all the details to Lisa, so that if it is appropriate, probably Lisa can post it on BWW site too. But I'm super excited to do this. So we are going to have we just had a call with some of the epic riders, and before, they all were getting only 1 or 2 days of riding, so which was probably 80-90 miles, that's it. But right now, anybody can do any number of miles, because we are going to have every week count, and we are going to do all of this in Strava. All the details will be given to you in a JPG format, so that you can see it and download and get everything in place. August 14th is the date. We are going to make our body move, all right, and be a part of this. So I'm excited. Life is just awesome. We are so thankful to Amway. We are thankful to Brit Worldwide. We are thankful to all the opportunities which we have to make our lives better and to make other people's lives better too. And signing off from Hidden Lake, and here is Ganesh and Rekha. Bye-bye.